Say we want to follow this poster as a reference. Actually, we want the layout of this poster. It's very simple. It's a grid-based layout, which is known as Swiss layout. And I would like to do it like by my eyes, and I don't want to actually import this photo in my Photoshop file because I want to have my own inputs for my layout. But I really like the idea of how they put different elements here. Actually, I would like to add two more uh, rulers here. I think I need this ruler. Okay, so I want to follow this. You can just do it very um carefully and in much details, but I would like to do something like this. So I say this is um the focal point of my work, and I would like to put all of my images here, my graphics and text here in this focal point, and I don't want to exceed the borders of this grid. Also, I can define more grids here. For example, I can say, okay, I want to put my text here, and I could do the same for the downer part. It could be like anywhere. I can say, okay, this is my layout. Something like this would work for me. And I say, okay, I'm now able to follow the layout of this poster. This is how I want to approach my work, and actually, you can be more creative and just go out of the borders. But this is a very defined layout that you can just work with that, and it's the base of your work. Say here would be for my text or title. I can just write title here. So I know my title would be here. This part would be the place I would import my images, and here also would be for additional text plus info with much smaller font like this, or I can put it here. And then you can add your graphics here, or you can just play with the title, make it much larger, or just do whatever you want. It's too much. It was too much. Yeah, it's cross. It would be something like this. And yes, you can just follow the lines you have in the borders of your grids and have a perfect and visually appealing poster. To see how closely this layout matches the structure I'm aiming for, I can add a few colors just for my own reference. I can just fill it like this, and I can change the opacity to see the rest of lines I added as my grids or lines. I can also change the fill here to something else and change the opacity. This is really the first and most important step in poster design because it gives you a clear structure to build everything else on. So This looks like the structure or layout of this poster. If you want to work on a poster, you can have a reference. You actually shouldn't copy every detail, but you can have some inspirations from other posters.